Hi guys, welcome to this video tutorial on how to use and create templates in LibreOffice Writer. Templates are an incredibly useful feature that can save you time and help you maintain consistency in all your documents. Whether you're creating reports, letters, or presentations, templates provide a pre-designed structure that makes your workflow much more efficient. Let's dive right in. What is a template? Templates in MS Word and LibreOffice Writer are pre-designed documents that serve as a starting point for your writing projects. It includes formatting like fonts, margins, headers/footers, and even placeholders for content. Templates ensure uniformity in your documents. Let's understand in depth templates. Pre-designed layouts. Templates include layouts for various types of documents, like reports, resumes, letters, and brochures, with placeholder text and images. Consistent formatting. They come with predefined styles, fonts, colors, headings, to ensure uniformity throughout the document. Efficiency. Using templates can significantly speed up the writing process, as you won't have to start from scratch. Welcome to this demonstration on how to use and create templates in LibreOffice Writer. Templates are an incredibly useful feature that can save you time and help you maintain consistency in all your documents. Whether you're creating reports, letters, or presentations, templates provide a pre-designed structure that makes your workflow much more efficient. Let's dive right in. 1. Using an existing template. Let's learn how to use an existing template in LibreOffice Writer. Click on File, New Templates. A window will appear with a selection of available templates. Select a template and click Open. Not only Writer, but templates are available for other LibreOffice products like Calc or Impress. Also, templates are classified in different categories to ease the selection as per need. Let's select one of the template to start with. Now, we have a new document based on the selected template. From here, you can start editing the content without worrying about formatting. Now customize the selected template. Once done, save it as a Writer document with a meaningful name. Make sure to select ODF text document as type of document. Let's work to create a new template. Select File, New Text Document. Here is a blank document. I have one format created to use it as a template for future use. Let's copy it and paste into new document and customize it. Now, apply formatting as you want. Selecting page style from the Format menu displays the dialog box. It can use to customize page format, margins, and completely understand the various options available in it. Headers and footers. Page borders can also be used. Clicking on Apply button applies the selecting formatting to the document. Now save the created template with a meaningful name and ensure ODF text document template as the type to be saved. Let's close and finish the template creation job. Managing templates. Go to File, Templates, Manage Templates. In the Template Manager, right-click on a template to edit, delete, or set as default. Once you've created or downloaded templates, managing them is simple. LibreOffice Writer has a template manager to help you organize them. If you often use a specific template, you can set it as your default. This way, every new document will automatically use that template. One can also create category as per need. New templates can be downloaded and installed. Modifying an existing template. Right-click on the template in the Template Manager. Select Edit or select and edit. Make the changes you need, e.g., font, margins, or headers, and then save the template. Here is the selected template. Now customize it by changing fonts, colors, page style, margins, etc. Changing font, font size, color, making it bold or italics or so. Once updated or modified, it's time to save it as a new or as an updated template. Make sure to select ODF text document template as document type. close it to proceed. Select extensions from the drop-down list in Manage window. Downloading new templates. Already discussed. Let's quickly recall once. LibreOffice also offers a vast library of downloadable templates if you need more options. You can get them from the official LibreOffice templates site. To recap, templates are a powerful way to ensure consistency, save time, and simplify your workflow. You can use pre-existing templates, create your own, and even manage them easily through the template manager. Benefits of templates. Templates are a powerful way to ensure consistency, save time, and simplify your workflow. You can use pre-existing templates, create your own, and even manage them easily through the template manager. Be sure to explore templates for all your document needs, whether it's for work, school, or personal projects. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to use and create templates in LibreOffice Writer. Be sure to explore templates for all your document needs, whether it's for work, school, or personal projects. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more useful tutorials. See you next time. Thank you again.